Okay, Tom, I'm in the bathroom. I'm sending the camera down to show you what I have found. So we're heading, actually it goes at kind of an angle. Here's to your left, that's the shower coming in. You see there to your left. It makes a turn. Look at that. You see a crack down the side. This is where you're having root issues going on. Veers to the left. Now you're in that prep room, I guess you call it. I'm not sure what you call that little room. Probably your washer drain right there. It looks good right there. That fitting looks good. This pipe here don't look so bad actually. There on your left, that's probably a crack out that mound. In fact, you can see the crack there to your left. There's that right there is roots. That's a root entry right there. You can see we've got them all gnawed off pretty good. I haven't wasted your root X money on this, pending till we see what we're going to do. This right here, that calcification on the bottom, but kind of hate to work that too much. You have to give it a little more attention right there. Pretty strong calcification there. I'm not sure what that drain there is. Probably that kitchen sink in that prep room. You can see the bottom's cracked out right there. More roots, and all this is where we cut roots out. You can see the top out is out right there. And this is in really bad condition here. This here is where it really blew up on me. This is going to be as far as I can go because the camera drops off to the left there. So this here is actually, this point is actually kind of in the kitchen or underneath those cabinets there. Yeah, see, I can't go any farther. So just kind of have, but that PVC that you see, that's underneath the floor, the wood floor. And it's fairly shallow, but it's also a lot of big dirt pile right on top of all that area. So to do anything there, we'd have to, as far as changing out pipe, crawl all the way up in there and dig that out and throw the dirt who knows where, somewhere. Wish I could get on in there. But right ahead of me there, to your right, is where the sink drain comes in. You just can't tell it. It's just beyond that kind of a white deal there on the side. That's the they're actually right up above it, I think, somewhere there. Anyway, this is where your kitchen sink drain connects. I got my cheddar hung. It went up that kitchen sink drain, or tried to, and got hung. I had to send the camera in and was able to dislodge the cheddar and bring it back out. Anyway, so there you go. I'll leave this out again so you can kind of watch it.